Hello everyone, welcome to Diecast Museum channel. In this video, we are going to unbox Hot Wheels Mainline for 2019. This is case A, the first one for 2019. And this case is assortment FC. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we have. This seal case coming from factory. So maybe we can get the super, hopefully. All right, so what do we have here? All right, I'm going to go fast from the top to bottom. First one we have here, the first three. Wow, out of the box we have Nissan Skyline GTR R33 in red. We have, this is King Kuda, Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. Okay, nice. Right, custom 53 Chevy, the Skull Shaker, and Exotic. This is Fantasy on my right and the real car on my left. Okay, Boxzilla, Nissan Skyline GTR R32. Wow, we have two Skylines now, and 2010 Pro Stock Camaro. Nice. Tesla Roadster, the first car to orbit the sun. Greeting from space. Wow. Special car Bazooka in green. This like military issued Bazooka. Feledy 2000. Rocket Fire. Tuli Gun. And Hot Wheel Papa Willy. Speedbox from the Super Chrome. I think the 2019 Super Chrome looks a lot better than 2018. Yeah. Volkswagen Beetle, Cruella de Vil, Batmobile, another Boxzilla, Honda Civic EF. This is the regular Mainline. I think we're gonna have the super treasure hunt from this case is Honda Civic EF. I'm not so sure. Another Cruella de Vil. The custom 2010 Acura Integra CSR. Nissan Skyline R32, another one. We have two of it now. Blasters Moto, Power Rocket, and Classic 55 Nomad. Another GTR R33 in red, and also the second. Oh, no, this is not the second, but this is another animated Batman Batmobile. Nice one. Baja Holler, '70 Camaro, BMW K1300R, and Triceratruck. This is dinosaur, Dino Riders. Yes. Another Felady 2000, and 2017 Jeep Wrangler in blue now. This is the third variant, I believe. Ford F-150 Raptor. Right, that's on the first half of the case. Let's take a look at what we have on the second half. Right, the first three. Cool Combi in gray, nice one. 57 Chevy, and also Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. Mustang Mach 1 from 007 movie. Yeah, screen time. Audacious, sorry. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. The Art Cars. Rise and Climb, Aristo Red, and also the Volkswagen Golf GTI. The card is banded. Another Triceratruck, Dinosaur, and Skull Shaker. Lamborghini Reventon Roadster, Volkswagen Beetle, and Hot Wheel 50 Concept. Rip Rod, another Volkswagen Beetle, and another Batmobile. Another Rise and Climb, another animated Batman Batmobile, and another King Kuda. Another Baja Hauler, another custom Acura Integra, and another Camaro. So we got a lot of repeat in this case, it seems. Gazella GT, Classic Nomad, and USS Enterprise NCC 1701 for the Star Trek fan. Alright, and we see a lot of repeat here. Ford Transit Connect, Raptor, and another Volkswagen Beetle. Okay, the last row, not bad. Custom Dodge Van, Super Chrome, Exotic, and El Camino. Okay, last row, last but not least, another Cool Combi, Pro Stock Camaro, and also Land Rover Defender Double Cab. Right, that's all what we have. And seems to me that we have a lot more real cars compared to the fantasy, which is a good sign. Similar to the last year, and I think a lot of people's favorites are gonna be these three, right? That's going to be people's favorite: Honda Civic EF, Nissan Skyline GTR R33, and also GTR R32. And I'm sure there are a lot of other fans for this case. And what do you guys think about this case? A good start for 2019? Yeah, it seems so. I'm looking forward to more for 2019. Do let me know in the comments below what do you think about it. I think that's all from us. I hope you enjoy the video as much as I am enjoy doing it. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.